Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna provide you a very powerful graphics online calculator. It's an online calculator. You don't need a third-party application for the same. It's a free website. You don't even require sign in for the same. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and in the search bar, all you need to do is search for desmos.com, which spells like DESMOS.com. Once you do it, just simply hit enter and just simply go to this option which says open graphing calculator. Here you can see the path for the same, and you can import your graph and create the graph and start calculating things, and it's very useful if you are creating some of the project over any platform, a mathematical project. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.